Alright, so while I have this 18 Niro trying to put a remote starter in, I had to take all this apart just to get the glove box out. So while I have it out, I'm going to try to take the radio apart. Like it, right? So, this very hard clips that are clipped in. It's just a faceplate. You see? You have to get up underneath it. I use my handy dandy hook tool. I came up under here, right in this corner, to get the faceplate out. You see? Pop one. You're kind of tight. Sounds like it's breaking. Slowly work your way behind it. Slowly work your way behind it. Slowly, Wesley. Same here in the corner. Slowly get up under. And it will work its way out. So this faceplate is just a faceplate. So part of the radio is, I don't think the new radios will, I don't know, I haven't done one of these yet. I'm just showing you how to take the radio apart, but there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me take them apart and make sure this is how you take the radio out. So be back. Okay, I thought 4, but there's actually 6. So those 4 right there, there's 2, 4, 5, 6. Take them out. The whole radio just pops out. So I don't know if there's a new kit for these yet, but I assume so. I mean, if the radio comes out, who knows? We'll see how fast the aftermarket hangs with this stuff. So they'll probably keep this and do everything off the new radio. But there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.